Saddle up your horses.
Simple life is a life for me, a man and a wife with a family. And the Lord up above, He knows I'm trying to live a simple life in a difficult time. I used to sit around fussing at the phone all day, winding up alone, and it made me say, never again will I be that way, never again will I be that way. Cause a simple life is a life for me, a man and a wife and a family. Lord up above, He knows I'm trying to live a simple life in a difficult time.
Doesn't it look like it's wearing false eyelashes?
Oh, well, I work 6 days and I rest for one, cause the old rat race ain't never been won. I sit back and I watch 'em run, I kick on back and I watch 'em run. Because a simple life is a life for me, a man and a wife and a family. The Lord up above, He knows I'm trying to live a simple life in a difficult time. Simple life is a life for me, a steak and a knife and a glass of tea. And the Lord up above, He knows I'm trying to live a simple life in a difficult time. Simple life in a difficult time.
Alright, today I'm going to be telling you about the golden ratio, also known as the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is something God used to make plants, grass, flowers, leaves, and people. And so today, as you can see, Emmy is lined up with it. Her nose, the bottom of her chin, and the top of her forehead all line up. She's normal. Good job.
Yeah.
And then people today are making the Fibonacci, using the Fibonacci sequence to make things. So, just on a water bottle, there's the bottom, the wrapper, and the cap. All three line up. And then the plants. The plants will line up using this. They all line up perfectly. And God used this to make everything. It's one of the crazy things that He did.